The January numbers are in, so let's break down the market data for single-family homes in Naperville, Illinois. Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. Today we're breaking down the January 2026 numbers for the Naperville real estate market. We'll start with the big picture, then take a closer look at zip codes, and finally by school districts so you know exactly what's happening in your neighborhood. At the time of this recording, there are 80 active listings in Naperville with an average list price of around $1,076,000. On the demand side, 82 homes are under contract with an average list price of about $844,000. 56 homes sold in January. That's 29 less than we saw in December and 6% greater than the 53 sales we saw last January. The average sold price across Naperville was about $833,000, and homes spent about 54 days on the market. Naperville has the highest market entry point among its neighboring communities of Aurora, Oswego, and Plainfield. Now, let's dig deeper into the different Naperville zip codes. There are 17 active listings in 60540 with an average list price of $1,572,000. There are also 20 properties under contract and 15 homes were sold in January with an average sold price of $1,013,000. 60563 has 20 active listings with an average list price of $1,008,000. Additionally, 13 properties are under contract and 11 homes were sold in January with an average sold price of $637,000. 60564 supports 24 active listings with an average list price of $853,000. Additionally, 29 properties are under contract and 15 homes were sold in January with an average selling price of $869,000. Finally, 60565 has 19 active listings with an average list price of around $986,000. Presently, 20 homes are under contract and 15 homes closed in January, averaging $762,000. The key takeaway here is that 60563 and 60565 were the most affordable entry points in the Naperville real estate market, while 60540 remains the most expensive zip code. There are 46 active listings in Naperville School District 203 with an average list price of $1,272,000. There are also 41 properties under contract and 33 homes sold in January with an average sold price of $867,000. Indian Prairie School District 204 has 25 active listings with an average list price of $819,000. Additionally, 29 properties are under contract and 21 homes were sold in January with an average sold price of $797,000. The key takeaway here is that District 203 outperformed District 204 across all metrics. For buyers, Naperville offers a wide range of price points across its zip codes and school districts. While higher-end homes remain strong in 60540, the most affordable entry points are in 60563 and 60565. For sellers, with 82 homes going under contract in January, the market is healthy and demand is steady. Homes priced correctly and marketed well are selling in an average of just 54 days. January's numbers indicate that the Naperville real estate market remains a seller's market overall, with variations depending upon zip code and school district. Inventory levels remain low, and buyers are actively seeking opportunities to acquire their new home. Naperville's market entry point is higher than that of its neighboring communities. Once again, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. And if you're curious about your next move, we'll reach out. We'll lay out all your options so you can make a confident decision that's best for you and your family. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.